This roasted red pepper tahini is simple, creamy, and just 5 main ingredients.
This sauce is so good you could eat it with a spoon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Zaina and I teach you how to make delicious plant-based recipes from the comfort of your home. Today, we will be making one of my absolute favorite sauces. This creamy roasted red pepper tahini sauce is smoky, simple, and so delicious. You can drizzle it over everything, but it's delicious over pasta, green bowls, roasted veggies, and anything else you can think of. So let's get started. So this delicious roasted red pepper tahini sauce is super simple. You just need a few ingredients. 2 red peppers. You can also use already roasted red bell peppers. 2 cloves of garlic. Tahini. Some non-dairy milk to thin the sauce. Lemon juice. I have some freshly squeezed lemon juice right here. And some salt and smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika, but you don't have to use it. It just adds a nice smoky flavor.
First, roast the red peppers at 500 degrees for about 30 minutes until the skin is blistered and charred.
So I steamed the peppers a bit to kind of like soften the skin, and we're gonna peel them now.
Peel the skin off the roasted peppers and remove the stem, seeds, and core. Now we're going to blend it up. We'll add our roasted peppers, garlic cloves, tahini, lemon juice, smoked paprika and salt, and our non-dairy milk to the blender. And then we'll blend it until it's silky smooth.
Oh my god, you guys. This sauce is so good. Seriously, move over marry me pasta sauce because this is the new sauce in town. Look at that. It's so creamy and delicious. This is seriously one of my favorite sauces. It is just so delicious. It's a little bit sweet, tangy, creamy, and smoky, and you will want to put it on everything. If you want to see how I used it with my vegan eggplant meatballs over the pasta, make sure to check out my other video linked down below. I hope you loved this recipe. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment to tell me how you use this sauce, and I hope to see you next time.